Hello everyone, this is Odessa Morales, your virtual physical therapist. Today, we're going to talk about hypoglycemia or decreased blood sugar. Why does people experience hypoglycemia or how that happened in our body? When an individual tried to do a diet, they tried to skip a meal, which they are used to certain numbers or certain amount of glucose in their body. So in that way, they experience a hypoglycemia. Or for some individual or patients that are diabetic, when they take their medication, they don't check their blood sugar early in the morning. So what they does is they just take the medication for diabetes or insulin, and that can cause also for decreased blood sugar in our body. You're probably thinking right now, what is the normal values for our blood sugar in our body? So when the doctor asks you to do some blood test and ask for a fasting, it should be the blood sugar supposed to be between 80 to 100 milligrams per DL. If it is less than 70, that means your blood sugar is really low. And then if for two occasions the blood sugar result is between 100 to 125 milligrams per DL, that person considered to have a pre-diabetes. So if your blood sugar is more than 100 milligrams per DL for more than two occasions, you better consult your doctor in order to make sure that you're not having a diabetes or you're not a diabetic. So you're probably thinking, what are the signs and symptoms in order for such individual they will know that they're experiencing hypoglycemia? So number one, hungry. Of course, if you're skipping a meal, you feel hungry, but um, that's also a sign that you're having hypoglycemia. Headache, very bad headache. You feel sweaty even if you're not exercising or you're just sitting in the house. You feel like sweaty and shaky, like you can barely hold an object, and it's like, why I'm so shaky right now. You feel confused, dizzy, and grumpy. And the other signs is you experience a ringing in your ears. So these are all the signs and symptoms that you're experiencing hypoglycemia. So what are you gonna do if you're experiencing hypoglycemia? What are the first things that you're gonna do? First, grab a pop of soda or a pop and drink it, a fruit juice, or any kind of sugary candy that can help you increase your blood sugar in your body. In addition to that, if you're a diabetic patient, of course, the doctor will give you a glucose tab or a glucose gel. I think that's like for emergency. Um, I'm not sure if this is, you can just get it over the counter or this is a prescribed medication. In a worst case scenario, if such individual uh, fell or became unconscious, you have to call 911 right away. Call emergency services in order for these patients can be treated with glucagon. All right. So again, if the patient is unconscious, call 911 in order to get a emergency services right away. Again, guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something about our topic today about hypoglycemia and what are the signs and symptoms. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. If you have any questions, send me a message to odesamorales.pt@gmail.com. God bless everyone. Bye bye.